The main thing that this project is intended to do is to help us clear out the excess biomass in the forests, which causes wildfires to be so severe. Plumas Woodfiber is a project to process forest biomass into a substitute for peat moss for the horticultural industry. Peat moss has become a problem. It's expensive, it can be hard to get sometimes, and it has various different sustainability issues. By making use of the forest biomass to our product in horticulture, we're kind of killing two birds with one stone.
We're both trying to solve the same problem of what do we do with the excess biomass in the forest. We had a lot of the heavy infrastructure that Jeff's project needed.
The Fire Grant Challenge offers the resources to experiment, to produce samples.
We need to utilize biomass as much as we can wherever we can in our daily lives.